How to upload a file to Google Drive and share the link on Android. Guys, it's really simple. Here I have Drive open on the screen. On your phone, look for this icon here, which is for Drive, and tap it to open. If you haven't installed it yet, just go to the Play Store and search for Drive. It will show up for you to install. In my case, since I already have it installed, it shows open, but if you don't have it yet, it'll show install, okay? Once it's installed, to upload a file, do this. Tap the pause. Notice that here you can upload the file directly that you want to share the link for, or you can create a folder and put the file inside that folder, okay? I'll show you how to upload directly, so I'll click upload here. You'll be redirected, and then you choose the file you want to share. I want to share this first file here, this image. I click it, done. I'm going to change the name here, okay? I'm going to put the channel's name, which is How to Any. I've renamed it here, and now I'll click upload. The image will be attached here. Notice that it hasn't appeared yet, so refresh the page. You can refresh it, just swipe down to refresh. There you go, the image is here. Now let's share it, okay? Click on the three dots next to it and you'll already see the option to copy the link. There's also an option to share, but first you need to manage this link. So you click here to manage access, and down here you'll click to change it, because as you can see, only people who are added can open this link. But if you click here, you can select this option and anyone with the link will be able to open it, okay? I'm going to select this option. Done. The permissions have already been updated here, so I'm going back. Now you just need to click on the three dots next to the file, click on copy link, and the link will open up here at the top. By clicking here, you copy it again, and then you just choose how you want to share it. If you have WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp. If you have Gmail, you can click on Gmail. Here you just need to choose, okay? In this case, I'm going to click on Gmail and I'll enter the address of the person who will receive it. Done. I'm just going to click to send it, okay? You can add a subject, but you don't have to. Click to send. So that's it. I just showed you how to send a file on Google Drive and share the link on Android.